Hi, long time no see. We have some new questions. All right, first one. Do you have a best friend that is LGBTQ+? Growing up, yes. Right now, best friends? I mean, friends, yes. Are you ever leaving us? Please don't. I mean, all things do come to an end. Either I leave or you guys leave. You know, you have school to continue on to. Can we please use Kahoot someday in class? Yes, I would have to get permission, and it is for those who are doing well in the class as a whole. So the class with the most points can have this Kahoot party. Have you ever felt nervous when you were teaching? All the time. All the time. I don't like talking in front of people, but when you guys are enjoying the class, I enjoy it too. Who is your favorite student from 5th grade? I can't play favorites. You're all my favorite. And I think that's it. Yeah. So thanks for your submissions. I will see you tomorrow.